I'm really delighted that all of you have stayed with us for so long today, ladies and gentlemen. I have three conclusions to make from today's discussions, if I may, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm delighted that you've stayed with us. I'd like to thank our sponsors, our delegates, all our guests today. But the three conclusions today. First, I remember the words of the Soviet revolutionary Vladimir Lenin, who once said, there are decades when nothing happens and weeks when decades happen. We're currently in the latter stage. It's our duty as an industry to negotiate treaties between the geopolitical actors to determine the best trade routes and the most efficient port operating models. Secondly, as we heard, there's a massive transfer happening in the shipping industry of assets and responsibilities between generations, with much more of a focus today on data analysis and net zero emissions. There will also be a battle between shipping and rival industries, as we've heard, to attract the best talent, and we must make the maritime sector more attractive for the next cohort. And thirdly, the sea, as our academics and our ministers told us today, has once more become a battleground for influence and power. The legendary Greek shipping tycoon Aristotle Onassis once said, we must free ourselves of the hope that the sea will ever rest. We must learn to sail in the high winds. Those are the words particularly apt for today's geopolitical instability, and I hope they can still provide inspiration for those who sail in the Strait of Hormuz and beyond, and for future generations to help us navigate the economic and political storms. It's been a pleasure, ladies and gentlemen, to join you today. I'd like to hand to my co-chairs, to Mr. Angelos Roupas Pantaleon and Mrs. Despina Travlou for their concluding words.
Thanks, Yuri. That was brilliant. I really thank you. You really added value to this conference, not only with the keynote speakers that you invited and committed, managed to commit about the geopolitics, but also the moderation, the smooth flow of the conference. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for staying so late with us. We are honored that you're still here.
And congratulations to Despina for really nailing the agenda. The agenda was perfect in every respect.
Thank you. Thank you.